Hello student, welcome to our online channel. We are going to start the second chapter of your mathematics called real number. So, real number of the class 9th. So, chapter 2, chapter 2nd. It is real number. It is real number, class 9th. So, what are real numbers? So, in previous class, you have understood what are the numbers and the types of number. So, we will discuss about the basics of real number today. So, you know what is natural number? Natural number. In previous chapter, in set theory, we have understood about the natural number. What are natural number? All the numbers, all the counting number. All the counting numbers starts from 1, 2, 3 and up to infinite. Okay, so these are the natural numbers. So we have to write here 1, 2, 3 dot 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 up to infinite. Start from 1, 2, 3 and up to infinite are called as natural numbers. Then we have whole number. Whole numbers. So what are whole numbers? All the counting number starts from 0, then 1, 2, 3 up to infinite are called as whole numbers. Then after whole number we have integers. Integers. What are integers? All the counting number present on number line. Like minus negative, 2 minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, then 1, 2, 3 up to positive infinite. All the negative including 0 and positive numbers are the integers. So here we can say n belongs to W. We have to write here natural number, or we can say the subset of whole number. And all the whole numbers start from here. That means all the whole numbers are present in integers. So whole number is subset of integers. So we can write whole number is the subset of integers. Okay. Now after integer we have rational number. So rational number is denoted by Q. Rational numbers. All the numbers in the form of P by Q, that is in fraction form, are called as are rational numbers. Rational numbers like 1 by 2, 2 by 3, minus 3 by 2. See, all these number 1, 2, 3, all the natural number, all the whole number and integers, they are also the rational number. Like if we will take 3, so 3 के डिवाइड में कुछ नहीं है, that means 1 है. If we will take 2, 2 के डिवाइड में कुछ नहीं है, 1 है, that means all the numbers they are in a fraction form. Okay, तो आपने बोल दिया सर 5 कैसे होगा, so 5 के डिवाइड में कुछ नहीं है, 1 है, so that is it is also a fraction. So all the numbers they are in the form of p by q, और उसी को हम बोलते हैं rational number. So all these are the set of rational number. So we can write here integers. Integer is the subset of rational number, that is q. That is q. Now real numbers. Real number is represented by capital R. Real numbers. So all the numbers that we used in calculation are called as real numbers. So all the numbers which are used in general calculation are called as real numbers. Like all these number including root 2, root 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 1, 3, 0, minus 10, all these numbers are real numbers. So we can say all the numbers are the subset of real numbers. So here we can write q is also the subset of real number. So we will understand this part with the help of Venn diagram. So if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. Okay, now we will understand this portion with the help of Venn diagram. See, n belongs to w. So we have to write natural number. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and up to infinite. All the natural numbers comes inside the whole number. So this is the whole number. So whole number including all this number and 0 also. So 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite are whole numbers. Then whole number is a subset of integer. So here we have to write integer. So integer contain minus infinite, minus 3, dot dot dot, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0, then all the numbers comes under integers. Then integer is a subset of q. So now q. What is q? All the numbers in the form of p by q. So we can write 3 by 2, 2 by 5, then negative infinite, or we can say minus 3 by 8, etc. Then all this number and this number will come inside the rational number. Now we have real number. or we can say real number is the universal set. This is universal set, that is R. What is R? It is the real number. So all these number including root 2, root 1 by 3, root 3 by 2, 0.3, all this number comes under real numbers. Okay, so this is the Venn diagram to represent this part. Okay, so now we will write this portion in increasing order form. So we can write natural number belongs to W, which is whole number, and whole number belongs to R, it is the subset of I. Then I is the subset of Q, and Q is the subset of R. Okay, so this is the very important part. Okay, so here the Venn diagram shows that R is the universal set for number. What is R? It is the real number. Q is the rational number. All the numbers which are in the form of P by Q are rational number. I is the integer. All the numbers which are present on number line from negative infinite to 0, all the negative numbers, then 0, and all the numbers from 1 to infinite. Whole number starts from 0 to up to infinite, and natural numbers start from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to infinite. So this is the Venn diagram. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write. Here in rational number is Q, and Q are in the form of, Q is a rational number, it is in the form of P by Q. So here Q must not be 0. So Q must not be 0, because suppose we have 2 divided by f, Q को हमने 0 ले लिया. So एनी नंबर्स के अगर डिवाइड में 0 होता है तो हम उसको डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते. उसका मतलब है तो इनफाइनाइट होता है या नॉट डिफाइन होता है. अब नॉट डिफाइन, इसको डिफाइन ही नहीं कर सकते, वो नंबर नहीं कहेंगे. इसलिए हमारा जो Q है, इट मस्ट नॉट बी 0. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट नंबर्स. So let's look on this chapter, what we will going to understand in this chapter. So in this chapter we will understand about the properties of rational number. हम इस chapter में rational number की properties पढ़ेंगे. Then we will start properties of irrational number. Irrational number की भी हम property को समझेंगे इस chapter में. Then we will understand about the surds. Surds क्या होते हैं? S-U-R-D-S, surds. Then we will start the comparison of the quadratic surds. Yes, comparison of quadratic surds. Then we will start the operations on quadratic surd. अब quadratic जो surds है, हम उसकी properties and operations को भी समझेंगे. Then we will start the rationalization of the quadratic surd, and we will start the rationalization of quadratic surd. So from tomorrow's video we are going to understand the properties of rational numbers. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं next video.